Welcome to unboxing of this smartphone by Ulefone. It's Note 11P model. So I'm going to quickly unbox it, and while I'm unboxing, I'm going to tell you about its interesting characteristics. The phone itself boasts a large battery, which is 4400 mAh. The screen is 6.5 inch. It's really huge. The front camera is 8 megapixel. The rear camera is 48 megapixel. It's on Android 11 and an internal memory of 128 ROM and 8 GB RAM. The funny thing that I like about it also uses finger to unlock it. That's how it looks, and I'm gonna also show you the contents of the box. So that's a pin. What I also like that it came with case. It's a plain case, but given the design that we have, the color that we have here, this case is just what I need. And as usual, comes with a bunch of instructions on how to use it, the charging cable, and this little guy as well. So I'm gonna test the phone and see how it's gonna perform, and if I have any comments or ideas, I'm going to share them with you. Thank you.